So, okay, so we discussed till box plot, right? We discussed this till this.
Yes, sir.
Now, next one is also a box plot, okay? And here you see here we have probably only maybe 10 categories. Here you have multiple categories, okay? So this is another box plot. And also please read these things, okay?
Yes, sir.
These things are more important, okay? Okay, these things are more important. So please read when you do that.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is the heat map that we discussed. Okay. So in heat map, we are talking about correlation. So yesterday we discussed about correlation. What is correlation?
Direct relation, sir. Like if they're having if effect of one parameter is on the other, then they have correlation. Like even though you swim or not, there is no effect on your marks. In that case, we don't have any correlation.
Yes. So correlation, we talk about two values at a time between x and y. So will x impact on y? Okay. Or y impact on x, vice versa is same, right? So what we have done here, if you see, we have all the columns, okay, and on the y-axis and the x-axis. So first is ID. So ID and ID, okay. And I told you what is the range of values for correlation. Correlation value will range from where to where?
0 to infinity.
Correlation value will range from -1, okay, to 0 to +1. Okay, -1 to, okay, so let's say -1, then you have -8, okay, then we have -0.5, all these are minus, right? Minus, you have 0.
So your screen.
Okay, sorry. Now it should be visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so -1, -0.8, -0.5, 0. Okay, then 0.5, 0.8, and 1, right? These are the numbers. So I said that, okay, maximum we can reach is 1. Maximum correlation value will be 1, okay, on both plus or minus side.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 indicates how strong is your correlation. Yeah. And minus indicates direction. Inversely proportional is your negative correlation.
Yeah.
Okay, so 1 will be strong negative correlation. -8 to 0.505, okay, or -0.7. So I told you there is no hard and fast rule, okay? It's purely based on your understanding. Here, generally, I put this as weak.
Moderate, weak. Yeah.
I'm using only weak and strong. I'm not using moderate. Moderate means again I'll have to create one more, let's say 0.8 to 0.7, something like that. So weak negative correlation. Okay. Then between 0.5 to +0.5, both the side. Okay.
Yeah.
We say no correlation.
Okay.
Both sides. Now here, okay, this is your
weak positive correlation.
Correct.
Strong positive correlation.
And this is your
strong positive.
Strong positive correlation. Okay, so weak, strong weak, strong negative, weak negative, no correlation, weak positive, strong negative. So value will range from 1 to -1. Now, The class example that we did in a heat map, we had only two values. Okay, null value present or absent. Now we are doing where you'll have multiple values, correct? So, okay, so now you can see this heat map. So 0.75 and 0.1. So 0.1 is white, right? Not 0.1, what I'm saying. 1. 1 is white. Correlation is very strong. Okay, white. Correlation is very weak, black. And each of these shades will tell you whether it is positively correlated, negatively correlated, strong or weak. You can see. Now see, when you compare ID and ID, when you're taking same X also same value, Y also same value. So for 1, you get 1. For 2, you get 2. For 3, you get 3. So it will be an exactly same line. When all the points are in the same line, it is strong correlation 1. That's why you see it's all white. Diagonal is all white. Diagonal is all white. Obviously, okay, when you take same value, like marks versus marks, 50, 50, 40, 40, 60, 60, 70, 70, it will be on exactly same line. Okay, so you will say that it is 1. But we want to know the relationship between other, like between MS subclass versus MS, not MS subclass, but maybe let's say lot, what is that? Lot frontage. So second column here and here you see black. It means lot frontage is third, right? So this is third is lot frontage. Lot frontage and MS subclass, they have very strong negative correlation. As you increase the subclass, okay, so frontage area will decrease. That's why you see black, dark. So there's a strong relationship between, and we can take MS subclass and plot it against lot frontage. So heat map will tell you all the column versus all the columns, their relationship, the correlation. So you can see which are all the black ones are strong correlation, white strong positive negative correlation, white ones are strong positive correlation, and 0 is blood red kind of thing, right? Maroon kind of thing. Maroon means there's no correlation. You can ignore such correlation. Okay. So this is your heat map. Then, so here it is only the colors. Now you can draw with point. I mean with the value. See, it is 1, 0.79, 0.64, 62. So you can draw the correlation with values also.
We have taken only certain parameters here, no, sir?
Yes.
Columns.
Here you have taken certain parameters, not all.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is called pair plot. Okay. Pair plot means you can have multiple plots put together. So you have sale price, okay, and you have overall quality and G-live area. So sale price versus overall quality. Okay, so that's why you see second parameter is overall quality and sale price is here. So this graph looks same. What is different between this graph?
X and Y are changed.
Correct. Yeah. So in this case, this is your y-axis. Sale price is your y-axis, and these are like your x-axis. In this case, what happened? Reverse. Overall quality became y-axis, and your sale price is x-axis. Okay, like that. So these are called pair plot. Okay, so you can draw pair plot. Okay. Do till missing value, and once you confirm, we'll talk about missing value. We have already done missing value, right? We will do missing value here. Okay. Then what else is there? Okay. Getting hardcore. Getting hardcore, we will not do. Okay. So we'll not do getting hardcore. We'll do it when we get into machine learning. Do till here, everyone, and let me know if you have any questions. Fast. Okay. So if you have free time, if you want to practice, go to Kaggle, take problems and practice. This is how you practice. This is how, these are the real data posted by real companies, okay, showcasing their real problem. And you have been, when you go to notebook, right, you'll get so many solutions, okay. So please practice those solutions. Yes.